If you are someone who's completed your 12th or degree and a professional course ആണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ aim എങ്കിൽ CMA USA is definitely one of the best choices that you have. So, Certified Management Accountant or CMA USA is a professional certification which is provided by the governing body, the IMA or Institute of Management Accountants in the United States. The course is a globally recognized one, meaning CMA USA's certification, it is actually accepted in over 150 countries. And I should tell you guys, one of the most attractive aspects of the course is the fact that on an average, it only takes a person around 8 to 12 months to complete it. And the whole syllabus, as in CMA USA's complete syllabus, has been divided into two areas, which is part 1 and part 2. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് CMA USA's very basic ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ that you guys need to know. We'll be discussing more about CMA USA in the coming video.